Do this right now, or your lady will definitely kick you out. The smell is that potent. Even the neighbors are going to be sniffing around. This low-key wild idea is about to completely bless your entire household vibe, no cap. Trust the process and watch till the end. Grab some basic candles from the drawer. We need to melt these bad boys down completely. Just toss them straight into a pan. Don't burn the house down. Kill the heat once it's liquid and rescue those wicks. Save those little leftovers, fellas, because they're crucial for the master plan. Pour that hot melted wax into a glass jar. This is where we unlock a whole new memory. The absolute secret weapon is arriving right now. Steal her favorite fabric softener, yes sir. The exact one she uses to make my clothes smell nice. Is about to do some serious heavy lifting here. To make sure wifey doesn't yell at me, I'm tossing in a handful of cloves. They give off an absolute elite aroma. Plus, they create a literal shield against bugs. Remember that lonely wick we saved earlier? Gotta fish it out with a toothpick like a pro. And center it right in the middle of the glass. Hold it steady so it doesn't flop over, while the wax chills and hardens up. If you're impatient like me and terrified of her return, shove the container straight into the fridge. Give it a few quick minutes, and you've got an insanely potent custom candle. Way better than those overpriced store-bought scams. It floods the entire house with premium vibes and banishes annoying mosquitoes from the room. Perfect for the living room setup, the bedroom, or hiding out on the balcony. So my wife caught me stressing. Dip this towel in warm water. Slapped on some Vicks and boom, instant neck relief. She says it completely kills muscle pain, crashes headaches, and literally resets my entire body after a long day. Plus, it totally knocks me out for the best sleep ever. Happy wife, happy life, right? My wife's gonna kill me, but look at this trick I learned in Texas. Drop that steak in, then toss in some classic white bread for the flavor. Hit it with garlic salt. Let that savory goodness soak right into the water. It seeps straight into the crust, making for an epic T-bone base. A dash of crushed red pepper adds the perfect kick, but keep it mild if you must. I'm feeling spicy, so I'm going all in on this heat. Just a light dusting of cayenne pepper on the toast for that extra punch. Time to pull that steak, but watch out. That pan is hotter than my wife's temper. Sizzling in the oil, baby, that's how we roll. Slide in a knob of butter, let it melt down, and coat everything in gold. Pull the golden toast out and plate it up, looking like a pro. Just lay it down, keep it simple, and don't make a mess on the counter. Grab that gorgeous steak, it's ready for the final act. Stack it up, toast on top, boom! A masterpiece she'll surely love. Those tiny invaders are crashing my patio party. Honey, grab 2 aspirin tablets from the cabinet. Crush those suckers into a fine powder, quick. Toss the dust into some warm water, careful now. Add a splash of white vinegar they absolutely despise. Give that concoction a really good stir. Funnel it into a spray bottle for the mission. Spray those creepy crawlies wherever you spot them. They will totally bail and vanish for good, babe. Total win, super cheap and safe for our home. Wife's gonna kill me, but here's a wild hot dog hack I picked up. Slather that dog in canola oil, make sure it's dripping, she loves it greasy. Dump on those bacon bits, gotta get that crunch or she'll make me sleep on the couch. Add some red pepper flakes for heat, though I'm already sweating just thinking about her reaction. Hit it with ketchup, gotta be precise or I'm in deep trouble. Mustard is a must. No fancy stuff here. Keep it basic or she'll lecture me for hours. Wrap it up tight in a wet paper towel, praying this doesn't explode in the microwave. Fold it like a pro. I can't mess this up. She's watching me like a hawk. Into the microwave, 3 minutes on high. Please don't let me burn the house down. Grab those oven mitts, it's scorching. Don't want to get yelled at for a burn. Carefully unwrap. Look at that masterpiece. Hope it's enough to keep her happy tonight. Just put lime inside the mask, and you'll never have this problem again. That's right, folks. You won't spend money on pricey cleaners. Let's keep the bathroom smelling fresh and clean, right? Grab a lime, forget lemons. They aren't acidic enough. Slice it up into small chunks like this. See, easy. Let's set it aside for a moment. Grab a face mask. Old ones are totally fine. Snip off one of the short ends. Hold on to that piece of string for later. Pop the mask open and shove the limes inside. Just like that, now grab that string. Twist the top and tie it tight. Perfect, now take it to the bathroom. Pop the toilet lid, place our DIY bomb inside. Lime is a killer for bacteria and bad odors. Best way to save money and keep it clean. Every flush releases that fresh lime scent. My wife literally made me do this first thing in our room. Yup, sticky side right onto the wall. No questions asked. Gotta peel off the wings too, because safety first, guys. Press it down real nice. Happy wife, happy life. Boom! Baby-proofed and ready. She is a genius.